Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy games on Nintendo Switch 2. In order to buy games, you can do it in two different methods. You can either get the physical game on a game card. I'm gonna show you how the game card looks. So this is how a game card looks. And you can just buy it, then insert it into the console. At the top you'll see this door. Open them up and now insert the game card and close it. You can see the game is already loaded. Now if you want to buy a game that's online, then just go to this Nintendo eShop, select the user. I think I didn't go to the eShop. Hold on a second. Yeah, this is the eShop. Now select the user and it'll load it. Then let's click on next. I need to sign into my Nintendo account again, so let's do that. I'm gonna scan the QR code. Okay, I've done it, so I'm just gonna click on OK on the phone. And you can see I'm in the eShop. So you can simply select what do you want to buy. You can see some of these say it's a free download. So you can just click on free download and it'll download the game without you needing to pay. That's pretty great. But if you want to get something that's actually paid, let's see how much does Minecraft cost. It's quite pricey. But you can simply press on proceed to purchase, then enter your either credit card details, Nintendo eShop card if you have one, or PayPal. And later on you'll just pay for it, then you'll be able to download it. And that's it basically. I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.